How to get Spotify student discount. To get the Spotify student discount, you must apply online through the official Spotify Premium for Students page using a web browser. Spotify uses a third-party verification service called ShareID to instantly confirm your active enrollment at an accredited college or university. And there are some eligibility requirements, such as you must be actively enrolled at an accredited higher education institution and you must be 18 years or older. The discount is available for up to 4 years, but you must manually re-verify your student status every 12 months. However, if you are in the US, you want to simply tell if you are on the US, the plan also includes access to Hulu with ads at no extra cost. And to do that, you want to simply navigate yourself to the Spotify Premium on your web browser. And here you want to simply get the premium student button. If you have the premium options already, you want to log in into your existing Spotify account, tap on get premium over here, and there you'll be able to see an option called fill out the ShareID verification form with your exact legal name and all of your details. By following the prompt from there, you'll be able to get your student discount on your Spotify Premium. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.